What's up everybody? Today we're going to show you these JB Weld sticks. These are super good for quick and durable repairs for pretty much anything to fix it. These are epoxy built sticks and super easy to use. Just knead, apply, and let it set. Today we're going to be doing a chair that I accidentally broke, and we're going to test it to make sure that it lasts. Stay tuned for the whole video. So we have a broken foot. Let's crack it at the very least. Now we've got this JB Weld. This is the world's strongest bond. Obviously, we're not gonna try and break it afterwards. Let's just say that this basically snapped under it. So now what we've done is we got this clear epoxy as a first step. So we've cleaned it, sanded it, roughed it up, and then we applied it. So now this is kind of adhering, but you can see right here. I'm gonna zoom in. So you see that white spot right there? So that is actually basically right here. You guys are seeing, where am I thinking? You guys are seeing, see my fingers behind it. So that's clear. So we're gonna go and apply a thick level of JB Weld here, and then there's another spot underneath here. How much strength is this going to give us? Well, this is gonna give us 5,020 psi, which is about a force of 5,000 pounds. So if somebody's sitting on this and they're like 250, 300 pounds, well, let's just say it's not gonna snap because it's 5,000 pounds. Set time for this is 46 hours, cure time 24. It's going to cure dark gray color. You're going to notice, so obviously you're going to want to paint this after. So whether it's plumbing or automotive or any household or plumbing repair, these JB Weld sticks are probably your go-to solution for fixing pretty much anything. When you remove the tops, you can see that they're sealed. You're going to use the back of the cap to pierce through it. Okay, so that's in. So this one's white, the red, and then this one, okay, is black. Don't accidentally get this in your clothes. Alright, so you can see that the black's already coming out, this is coming out. So now again, we're gonna add equal parts. We try to do equal parts. You don't have to put all of this, it all depends on how much you guys are welding. This is cold weld, basically. And we're gonna go just a little more. We're gonna go like 1/5 of the two, basically. And remember, we're trying to get equal parts here. Alright, so clean the excess and then put the caps on. So here's what we were left with. Like 2 little streaks. Now we're gonna grab our little forky. Or you can do paintbrush, piece of wood, anything. So you can see that it's turning gray. You got about like 3 minutes really to apply it. Right. Yeah, there you go. So now the hardener and the epoxy kind of mixed, and now we're gonna spread it. Now we're gonna go into here because you know the crack was also here. And we're gonna try and smooth this out into the existing metal. And again, because nobody really looks under these chairs, when you spray paint this, it should look pretty good. Now, after about 4 minutes, you're gonna notice that it's less like super sticky, and you're gonna be able to mold it a little more smoother. This will work on plumbing, pipes, and this will even stick tiles, so feel free to use this in all your applications. All right, so it's 24 hours later. This is strong to the touch. I mean, I could try and see if I can scrape it off. I thought I'd be able to maybe stand this down, but it doesn't look like I can. So now I guess I have to stand on this. I'm 180 pounds. It should hold 5,000, so it should be not an issue. All right, first we're gonna go in the center. So, not holding myself, see? My hands are here. Now I'm gonna go on this one alone. Let's see if it holds me. And again, there you go. So it goes to show that this works. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.